College can be a challenging and demanding time, and it's not uncommon for students to experience feelings of depression, lack of energy or motivation, hopelessness, and being overwhelmed. However, there are strategies that students can use to help manage these feelings and improve their overall mental well-being. Firstly, seeking support from trusted friends, family members, or mental health professionals can be extremely beneficial. Talking about your feelings and seeking guidance can help you gain perspective and find solutions to the challenges you are facing. Secondly, practicing self-care is crucial. This includes engaging in activities that bring you joy, such as exercising, reading, or spending time with friends, as well as getting enough sleep, eating a balanced diet, and avoiding substance abuse. Thirdly, setting realistic goals and breaking tasks into smaller, manageable steps can help you feel more in control and motivated. Additionally, finding healthy ways to cope with stress, such as deep breathing, mindfulness, or journaling, can help reduce feelings of being overwhelmed. By using these strategies, college students can improve their mental well-being and overcome feelings of depression, lack of energy or motivation, hopelessness, and being overwhelmed.